A very good morning, dear children. I am Ratna Chatterjee from Study Hall Educational Foundation, and today we are going to start with NIOS Board English with a very important topic, connectors. So children, what are connectors? Connectors are the words which we use to combine sentences or phrases or words together. Here, connectors are the conjunctive words. Conjunctive words here is the point of emphasis because we use only conjunctive words to combine two sentences, words or phrases together, used for connecting similar elements in a sentence in a more logical way. This is important. Combining two sentences or more than that, or paragraphs or words in a more logical way. Okay? The essence or the meaning should not change after using the connecting word, after using a connector. So they are also known as conjunctions or linkers. Alright? Now, to combine two or more sentences in a more logical way, we have categorized connectors in few types of connectors: contrast, cause, purpose, consequence, addition and exemplification. Now children, one by one we will understand what are these types of connectors. So the first connector is contrast connector. These are used to indicate contrast or contradiction in two sentences by linking them with a contrast connector. For example, she has a lot of money. She takes public transport. She takes public transport despite having a lot of money. The main connectors that indicate contrast are despite, although or even though, nevertheless, yet, in spite of, however, still, even so, on the contrary, on the other hand, on the one hand, and in contrast. The second connector is cause connector. Showing the reason behind an occurrence is something that happens regularly in any language. For example, there was a hurricane. Our flight was cancelled. Our flight was cancelled because there was a hurricane. To express cause connector, the main connectors we use are because, on account of, since, due to, seeing that. The third one is purpose connector. Purpose connectors join two sentences to show the purpose of an action. For example, the man went to the bank. He applied for a mortgage. The man went to the bank in order to apply for a mortgage. These words which used to show the purpose of an action, in order to, so as to, so that. The fourth connector is consequence connector. Consequence connectors are used to show the consequence of an action in a given sentence. For example, they graduated from university with excellent marks. They received many job offers. They graduated from university with excellent marks, therefore they received many job offers. Linkers which are used to show the consequence of an action are consequently, as a result, or as a result of, as a consequence or as a consequence of, and therefore. The fifth one is addition connector. When you want to add additional information to clarify something in a sentence, addition connectors are used. For example, we are going to study drama this semester. In addition, we will learn how to express ourselves physically and how to practice good enunciation. There are a number of connectors you can use here. They are moreover, besides, furthermore, what's more, in addition, on top of that. The last one is the exemplification connector. These connectors are used to link a sentence to the previous one. It is very easy to find linkers for giving examples in use. For example, this sentence uses an exemplification connector to link it to the previous sentence. The connectors you can use here are, for example, for instance. Children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Revise it many times and all the best for your exams. Thank you.